talk to the girl, make we talk to the girl.
I rockin' her mouth. She say me too rude, my name she call out. Full suit a couch whenever me walk out. Dirty behavior.
Here's the time to jump ship.
Man. Some style where them no have. Jimmy too nasty. Best we get it from Cali. My influenza gal a Barbie. Skin tone clean and pretty like Cardi.
Country hot music.
You see you look at me, eagle eye, girl.
Ready.
From a childhood girl, let me get me.
This another time or place. Finna boring, girl. Your pussy make you can show things, girl. I need to go give you more things, girl.
Some girl are uncomfortable when them song you play.
Be glue, got to be true. Miss little and cute with the grip under you.
You know I go uncomfortable.
If I know you, then I who, I know she, I know none of them he
no
not
crew.
Oh
God.
Grip me tight, grip me for life.
The answer, pull up,
eagle eye.
Me not tell you. Some girl are go uncomfortable when them song you play it for them.
Country hot music.
You see you look at me, eagle eye, girl.
Because them not have the eagle eye when them sit down, them legs can't close.
This another time or place. Finna boring, girl.
So now go uncomfortable.
Things, girl. I need to go give you more things, girl.
I'm for the girl, I'm with a little bit of phone time now,
to
ready.
Be glue, got to be true. Miss little and cute with the grip under you. Wow. If I know you, then I who, I know she, I know none of them he not crew.
Miss grip me tight, grip me for life. If I know tight, more than a eagle eye. She said, you do right, you get right. Woman see the old dog.
You see the girl, them with the little and tight.
Feeling like for just, feeling fine for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us.
Oh my God. Talk to the little and tight again, Bucket. Oh God. Little and tight, one thing we have to tell a baby.
It's all about your love.
Miss little bit.
All about your love.
Yo, you see the first time me hold Miss little bit. And me go and me call her the next morning and tell her.
Feeling like for just, feeling fine for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, young king, no pretender. Something to remember. She hunting.
Make we talk to them now.
She a walk past and I just wow. What the fuck you now? Wow. Your body bright and your skin just a glow. Wow. One queen and the deck them fit now. Wow.
All girls, one side. Watch your style here.
You know no time to beg no girl, I know you that.
Watch them style here.
You bless, hallelujah.
We're gonna get to know active funny pre-vibes. Watch ya.
Funny cheer and broke for me body. Bend it over, make me flood you with money. Cock it up and skin out ya baby. Your pussy tight and pretty. Sit funny cheer and broke for me body. Bend it over, make me flood you with money. Cock it up and skin out ya baby.
Alright.
Your body tight and pretty. She lick a lamb.
Hola. Make sure so the ladies them in the chat active right now. You active. Diane, you ready? Cause I know so you fully active, you know. I hear style, let me say, no. Squeeze DJ.
Try to music in the beat drop. Chai time for the girl.
This is the Vybz Friday pre-vibes. We're live at YouTube right now, people.
She little and mad, kid and mad.
Oh.
She say she come from little London.
Oh.
She need your belly, give your mama dance on. She take your fuck me now if you can. She little and mad.
The link is in the bio, people.
She say she come from New Hampshire. Me say she need your belly,
Watch out.
She take your fuck me now if girl chew your whole tight that make you go answer. Live your life to the fuck you want. To your head mad that make me want ya.
All the tight to a girl, them soon no dance here. Soon no dance here. Miss Little and Tight. Miss Little and Tight. Miss Little and Tight. Miss, hey.
Original girl, you wanna replica? Smoothie, no regular. Pretty for real, I'm pretty for my cellular. Say your hand. DJ.
So we have to talk to Miss Little and Tight same way. Vybz Friday, each and every Friday, 9 p.m. YouTube, ready?
Say she love the body. She love no tight tongue and she shake when the Glock cheap.
Sometimes Miss Little and tight. I Miss Little bad.
So she done with love and she wants so car.
Me love a girl, them full of style. When me tell them, me like them girl, why?
About my type of girl. The gun cut up on the right side. Just like the cocky with a right type of girl. That was the type and I live in a yard for the world.
What's the style now? All the girl them party America.
Papa, pizza, pilla, liquor, killer, tell him bar, swing, syrup, panara, skla, pilla, spifia, fida. Lord,
Mama says she not hear the
son.
The link is in the bio people. We're live and we active.
Pump around, get mad for me now. Head top for me now. Rock your back.
We are take YouTube attendance right now.
Put inna the ear, drop flat for me now. Heart your back and make it clap for the crowd. Get mad for me now. Head top for me now. Rock your back, sit down panny and rock for me now. Catch your foot inna the ear.
They really get mad, you know. They really get mad.
Hey, move out my way. Me I'm mad so mad day. Mad. Hey, move out.
Yo, people, we're active. Link is in the bio. Link is in the bio.
Frank White, I'm at me, I'm a dot. I'm at me, I'm a dot. Tell I get fucked and I run out of the mad house. I'm at me, I'm a dot. Hold my cup in the city, a girl at that short. A girl I been a back a hole, I get stabbed out. All of my money get fucking on me account. I wish big man that get knocked out. Move out now, way.
I stay now for the miss. Come on,
See a
party.
post coming now.
Come party off the mud.
Rumbas Entertainment, DJ Bucket in the building. Watch ya.
Come on, ramp with the millions. Come on, no dog and a response. Spend a brick and send a sin up on a kickstand. Soon
put
send
them
you
all
on the
live by
tire of the fiction. Think on one, put him in a hit song. Cheek, come on, up in a Nissan. Cheek, pull it up in a heat hand.
Pop it off, I'm a close. Yeah, pop it off, I'm rose. Yeah, watch your walk and pose. I want chalk and go. All of them are posting easy talk from my clothes. Headshot and blood and run show nose. Suck on the mother head don't come too close. Them boy they not kill nobody. None of them talk them more. Watch boy if you try program a king. Them a good yo. We start roll with that thing. 2 kill out of it now. All in my sin left. All in a forehead left. All in a chin. Roll with a barrel and close me a bring. And down me no coming and sound me no fling. Chrome with a ring like a phone with a ring. Boy me a down in at the blood clot. Out down in my heart, I feel flat, make a call, the kill up on the bird, now we a shot, swinging 16. Grave back, 16. Place hard, I'm a build.
Them say Massacre and TJ drop a new song, you got it?
Blood run out, I don't give them a big screen. Hawk them a hawk, big screen. I bit off on my clothes. Tough and talk and rose. Watch your walk and pose. White chalk and ghost. All of them are posting easy talk from my clothes. Headshot and blood and run show nose. Suck on the mother head don't come too close. Them boy they not kill nobody.
If you give me the pussy, nobody nah know. Cause me no too talk. Bad man a fuck then girl and a fool dog. Have a Korean girl up in a New York. Pussy too good, me never got there with no shoes on. Beast well soup up a move off. Cash flow rinsing and the beamer on a Uber. Weed them a smoke on my moonwalk. Slide me a slide on a moonwalk. All rich gal in the hill, she a cougar. Married woman, me no care, she a hoofer. Have it for me cocky, like a louver. She said she begs, say we never met. Hey, oh boy, yeah. If you give me the pussy, nobody nah know. Cause me no too talk. Bad man a fuck then girl and a fool dog. Have a Korean gal up in a New York. Pussy too good, me never got there with no shoes on. Beast well soup up a move off. Cash flow rinsing and the beamer on a Uber. Weed them a smoke on my moonwalk. Slide me a slide on a moonwalk. All rich gal in the hill, she a cougar. Married woman, me no care, she a hoofer. I bet for me cocky like a louver. She said she begs, say we never met soon. Me say your pussy good, she say you know you're too wrong. She give me quick, so me never catch blue.
So the same time when you see them on the smooth walk, what you tell them?
I said, hey girl, you at a school class. Slide me a slide on a moonwalk. 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 And a moonwalk. And a moonwalk. Slide me a slide on a moonwalk. Slide me a slide on a moonwalk.
Hey girl, you a classes. What bring your pussy come on, wanting no. To where we at it till the morning come. This This how it feels to fall in love.
Everybody. This is the pre-Friday vibe. The link is in the bio. Please go subscribe.
Yeah, me no want no man where every girl fuck.
Let's not start with the madness, people.
Money for me not for ready. We can't the fuck and you want the fuck. All type of girl plan your funeral can we toxic. So pick one honeymoon or casket. A real top girl I want her plastic. You better control your cock. No we lose character and things might just end up. Hey, me ramp rough, my one you don't play. When my cross, I don't know cross me. Okay, you won't find my back if you lost.
You know what the crosses girl them love to bucket? I want to the crosses girl them love doing now. Let me tell you about the crosses girl them now.
And you gotta get wild out tonight. Party in my house tonight. If she suck, give me a fine out tonight. I have to know Roger wild out tonight. Out the blue light, I try out devices. All I'm a sense then sign out tonight. I kiki weed, me fly go Dubai. Let girl we don't wild out to time. She ride the wave like mermaid. She will make it shake like earthquake. And I show like today I'm a birthday. I have to know man I sin I'm a nerd babe. Me I get pussy from a day and I'm a third grade. No of them class bad bitch in the world. But good things coming out the worst ways.
I miss your body, but no.
I mean, fuck make it send for the first year. Sinful, bad bitch, love fuck rat bad. That boom boom fat, no style that bad dance. She make you rotate, call that fat, yeah. Man, I seen her even no gun, man. And everywhere I go, me carry 4 guns back. You know no senseless if you don't know eruptions in full fun, I know. And she ride the wave like mermaid. And she will make it shake like earthquake. Put on a show like today, I'm a birthday. I have to know, man, I seen I'm on a nerd, babe. Me, I get pussy from a day and I'm a third grade. No of them class bad bitch in the world. Good things coming out the worst ways. I will say you use a nurse waves. I mean, I fucking make it tell I get wild tonight. Party in my out tonight. She suck cocky, me a find out tonight. I have to know Roger wild out tonight. Out the blue light, I try out the vibes. All I'm a sense then sign out tonight. I kiki weed, me fly go Dubai. Let girl we don't wild out to time. Say right, so wave like mermaid. And she will make it shake like earthquake. Put on a show like today, I'm a birthday. I have to know man I seen I'm
this your boy girl is Jan, that's DJ Bucket.
I'm a third grade, no of them class but
the whole clan in the building right now. And this is the we're not a clan. Oh, sorry. The whole gang in the building. Yeah, the crew. The whole Livevybz Mafia in the building. Rumbass Entertainment in the building. And this is a pre-Friday vibes again. The link is in the bio. If you like the vibe, subscribe. But you see for right now, we are going with our vibes. Bucket talk again. Ladies. Wanna ready? Wanna steady? Okay. Yeah. Make we see our ladies them active right now.
Yeah. I live in the life that all of them wanted.
Yo, Kenny. G just checked in. I think she about to get active right now. Everybody know how G like to dance right now. Let's go, G.
Endless smokes and drinks in we head. Girl, them say that they love me dress. They follow me on Instagram and the thread. Yes. They never see me walking real life.
G, we know this your type of vibe right here.
Who just below bar. So when you see we doing it by the bar. Hey, yo. Hey, hi hater. See you later. Study your own, don't study my paper.
Ready.
Buying bottles like we don't care. Spraying champagne up in the air. Hey, hi hater. See you later. Study your own, don't study my paper. Spraying champagne up
all the ladies when they were lazy on the Friday, we know they're ready.
Girl and money, not that don't call away. No time for falling. We jamming all day. From girl and money, not that don't call away. No time for falling. Jamming on the roadway. If you see me in a Benz or a Beamer, hustle hard for my bread and my paper. Cause you know that is my nature. Build it up from the ground, from the ground. If you see me living in a nice house, just know that I's not
play all type of vibes over here on a Friday, but you see right now ready for the girl them,
So fling it back on it, on the road girl, wind it back on it. By the truck girl, push it back on it. Bite your lip and throw it back on it. So stick it back on it, on the road girl, wind it back on it. By the truck girl, push it back on it.
Watch out ladies, watch out. Miss Juicy, what's up? them right now, Bucket. It will like the vibe, subscribe.
Party time again, party time, party time again, yeah.
Don't you feel like moving right now?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You have liquor in your cup and put it up.
Hey.
Party bad up. The amount of bottles we pop. Still the bar can't bust. The whole team link up. Now everything sync up. Right now we're higher than a treetop. We gonna shell it like we never did before. And this party we love. Party we love. Party we love. Party we love. Oh yeah. Party we love. Party with we friends. Party we love. Yeah. Party we love. 24/7. Party we love.
What you know?
Vibes up, day, dance, turn right up. Yeah, you don't know we come out up. Play, the girl them looking sexy. Well, okay, hands up. I say I wanna see your hands up. Yeah, dance now. Let me see your boss a dance now.
Oh!
Moto there. Yes, on farmer. Chuck me name in it.
All girls, remember this again.
You get you. If you take my woman, I go take your woman too. I go take your woman too. Come on. I go touch your woman too, lad. I go touch your woman too.
Remember the link is in the bio. Wagwan chocolate. Good night.
Hey, girl. I wanna know.
Go subscribe real quick, man, please. The link is in the bio. YouTube channel.
You don't need no other man. Girl, don't let me jam it up again. Forget your ex-boyfriend. I'll forget my ex-girlfriend. You don't need no one.
Hey, yo, G, watch how you give me them art there, you know.
You don't need no explanation in this situation. You want me, I want you. Why we shipping in the van? Oh, what a situation. Your ex-man digging the same van. Oh, gosh me, oh, gosh you. My ex-girl in the same van. Hold me down for the rest of the night. Wind me down for the rest of the night. Give me down for the rest of the
Get
night.
that 10K likes, so I appreciate the likes. Just keep tapping the screen. You know what I mean?
Wind me down for the rest of the night. Give me jump for the rest of the night. Girl, your waistline too bad. Didn't come here for that. I come to drink with my friends. You got this stuff on your back. My boys
Hey.
watching a lot.
Where you from, mama?
I could I get like that? When I thought I had enough for your whining, baby, I run right back. Tell them somebody.
Thank you, man. We respect it.
Would I never believe
If you like the vibe, subscribe, right?
somebody?
Link is in the bio.
Should I tell me this evening?
Oh, so you're used to them vibes here, right? Alright, watch it.
Hold me down for the rest of the night. Wind me down for the rest of the night. Give me jump for the rest of the night. I want that bumper on me. Hold me
They say you're checking from Florida.
wind me down for the rest of the night.
Let me know you love the soca vibes, right?
Do what you want, my girl. Love that body, it's so natural. From the first wine, girl, I want it bad. Give it up, give it up. Watch how you make every man get mad. Now when you roll it like that. Wine take it down, yeah, just like that. Give it up, you give it up. Tell it up. Somebody should I want me this evening? Would I never believe it? That way, some is stupid now. Somebody should I tell me this evening? That's your waist well season.
Alright. Everybody over here right now, remember the link is in the bio. We have a drum ship soon.
We here for a good time. Not a long time.
Make sure you have no cups ready.
Viking ding dong.
If you don't have a cup, get a cup.
Bring me another.
And join us on YouTube. The link is in the bio.
Okay, girl. You see your best wine up in your chest. You wanna link, call me, I'm the best. Every girl walk out to the fete. And every girl them dressed to impress. See my team, we don't really waste time. You come back, call you
faceless one more time. Girl, let me start it. So call up the bridal party. We gon' make all the residents happy. Bartender, make it snappy.
For who just passing through and sitting here watching.
Oh, yeah.
This is a Vybz Friday. This is a pre-Friday Vybz. Every Friday we go live. And just all our vibes. Ready? This is Gallus J alongside DJ Bucket. And this is the Livevybz family. And we do ask you, if you like the vibe, please subscribe, right? DJ Bucket, go on.
See the funny thing I make she talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Why funny thing I make she talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. You push your hands on me head, grip me tight, make me ball, make me beg. Bust some move from your body in the dead. Show me the power to take a 10 of your legs and move. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Let's get down, yeah. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Take on get down, yeah.
Ladies, if you're not lazy right now, may I ask you to do one thing. One thing may I ask you to do, ladies, please.
Bubble, 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 bubble.
One thing may I ask you to do, ladies, please. When you can't follow instruction. All girls, hold tight.
Boy, bash maintain down. Check out the gal, them winding down. Watch out the gal, them grinding down. Pick it up, gal, make bumper spin round and whoa, this a they go down remix.
Yeah, you see how you.
Show off your new tricks. Mr. Marshall alongside Lil Rick. Let me see you move your body like this. Don't stop down there. Come up, come up, come up, come up, right, come up, come up, right, come up. Chuck it down, come up, walk it down, come up, stick it down, come up. Hear this. How much of my jokes you think you can stomach? Wine man, you fall flat like a bum up. Two nigga and true, take care, you can't come up. Make up your mind before you get turn up. Whining skills say that's my thing. Can't handle the best any style.
All right, people, we're going to jump ship right now. We're at jump ship, we're at jump ship, we're at jump ship. Watch your style. 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 Everybody. 5, 6, 7, go. What's that creep up here right now? Yes, every Friday. And them vibes are all over here. Oh God, see it now, the show has started. The show has started. One more bucket. Roll a chair. We are checking right now. When we're ready, we are jump ship. The link is in the bio. Link is in the bio. Alright people, thanks for tuning in over here. So the link in the bio we are going to go right now. So is it? Watch your vibes, switch over. Alright, see there. DJ Bucket is back. So the vibes feel, the word go nostalgic. That's the word? Yeah. Fuck you, mean. So again, people, this is Vybz Friday. This is your boy Gallus J. Dr. Sour there, Bucket there, Bandit there. LA Larry's in the building. Me I tell you, Pundai there. You don't know, 9 vibes there. The whole Livevybz family there. Uncle Beans. Dog in that turquoise. I first me see bad man wear turquoise. Yo, me never see a gangster wear turquoise before to blood clot. You need a cup? Yeah, we have to go get some cup, you know, cause people in that chat don't know what time it is, you know. Make sure you have no cup, cause we're fully active right now. So again, this is Vybz Friday. People don't know what time it is. My cup here. Yeah. Which one? Anything but a cup. So what kind of cup you would I use? get a cup for real? Alright, go on, give them an intro, let me go get my cup.
People, just turn on.
Who in the chat right now, man? The chat look active?
Chat.
Y'all gotta let us know y'all here, chat. You already know what it is, man.
Big up and everything, then do it, please, because I don't know, so we're live, you know. People in the chat, big up on yourself, you know. You're tuning into another Vybz Friday, as I say. DJ Bucky just fallen off our cruise ship. You see me, I say? International way. You know what I'm saying? Come back up the place. Yeah,
yo, you know what it is.
Yeah, he did it. You know what I'm saying? And people, it's a festival at the end of the year, you know. And I be a festivity I go on. Hip hop nice again. The studio nice. LA Larry just flying. You don't know, it's a bag of thing. People, me have on the darkers, you know. I don't know, so if you hear the voice, you know me nice, you know. So I'm not even see when I chat, but big up on yourself. You don't know? Yeah.
You already know what it is.
Yeah,
you already know.
No, we see some people in our chat, you know. We want the people to check in, you know. Check in quick. But
check in. Attendance. Register.
Let me share it out real quick, because...
We are
share it out. This is the sharing of the live first. The 5 minutes we are sharing the live.
Oh, yeah. Register.
Share the live.
We are called register.
Yeah.
Raise your hand if you're in the chat. If you like the vibe, raise your hand if you're in the chat. Like the vibe, raise your hand if you're in the... I mean, they're ready for the live vibes. Day and night, in the live vibes. Tune up your with the live vibes. Ready. Heart in the chat if you're live. Ready up the vibes with the live vibes. A Friday night and we live. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, you are next freestyle.
Me, I have a pay for that one there, you know. But people, earlier, as me say, you know, big bad DJ part, you know. You see me, I say? And as each and every Friday, you don't know from the tunings are different vibes, you know, I get. But tonight, they put them a pull over there and I go, you see me? It's not gonna be for no crazy shit.
It's not gonna be for no Diddy party.
Yeah, it ain't gonna be for no Diddy party. But they're gonna, you know?
Yeah, I already know what's going on tonight.
But just go out,
it right now. I don't even know.
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like the screen. Share to a friend and a friend. Anybody you know they may have boring right now?
You still on
share
your
life to
journey?
them.
Oh shit. Whoa.
What's up, man? What's up? So where your cup at?
Yeah, where your cup at, bro? Where your cup? Shit.
Hurry up, Larry. Hurry up, okay? We don't go see up on leap here these days, you know.
Crazy.
So like we said, people, we are share the live. Share the live, people. Please share the live.
Brian, I see you in the chat. Yeah, I see you in the chat.
What? Rum, pass it.
Rum, please.
Rum.
Yes. In the chat. We're live in the studio in the chat. Ready in the chat. Yo.
Everybody.
As me saying to people, from the hear the voice and I know me nice. So now we're saying nothing more. I'm from to see the title and the description. Cause I know no done to know. I'm here with our friend. You see me? When you see what go on, it's a games night. Yeah. But right now we in the check-in settings of the park as management draw me up and HR draw me up. I say yo, me I jump the gun. I say yo, I'm like say me have home training. Yeah. So them say me need to follow procedure. You see me I say? So right now we in the register part of the part, you know?
Yeah,
the live. We are check the register, we are check in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Earlier when I get a bad vibe by DJ Bucket himself. Rumbass International DJ. You don't know one link. You see me I say? Livevybz TV in the building. The whole crew there and we're active. Alright?
Good, man.
Yeah.
So we doing checking. Yeah, y'all got
We
everybody
checking
shared
in,
up.
you
Everybody
know?
shared up.
I'm good. I'm not famous yet. You know what I mean? In the bandit, you know, me can't be known in the brother. That would
Everybody
defeat the
poured up?
purpose, bro.
Everybody got their drink.
I've been there, done that.
Yeah, man. What you got in your
Well,
cup?
people, we about to hold the vibes tonight. As you say, you
Jay,
know,
you need some rum?
we checking in. We checking in now. Checking in.
Jay, you need some rum?
We checking in. Yeah. We checking in. Ooh. We checking in.
Sure.
Yeah. Man, no, I go like say my come shit, yo. I'm telling you, man. Notice if you get new phone, you know. All right, him send a chat.
Oh, this one right here?
No.
Yeah, if I get new phone,
I
you know
didn't
for act.
peep that.
You don't know for act for them get new.
Oh, he
you
getting too much money. We know who getting too much money.
You didn't hear him? Oh, I got to share the live. Like he ain't been share the live. You him want to look on him phone and share the live. I saw him stay, brother.
They can't keep a good man
I'm just saying, bro.
Always try to
You know,
Too much money, yo.
Yeah, I'm a rich, yo. What you think when I get paid? You see me? I'll watch Paris. Yeah, you can't tell the time now.
Oh, yeah. Yo,
Yeah.
I see the chart. Yo, listen, Franklin. Talking about Bucky, because I had already seen that.
Yeah.
I ain't see the phone. I had already seen
Yeah.
Listen. I seen the charger for the watch.
Different?
I was like, hold on, this nigga started wearing the Apple.
Oh.
I said, oh.
I didn't know you had a separate charger for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I see the charger sitting in there. I was like, oh, this nigga, maybe that's not hit. Hey,
Okay.
look at him. Flexing, okay.
Yeah, he flexing on us.
My friend,
He flexing on us,
I
but
feel you, man. I feel you, bro.
big up the people in that chat. You know, nice, clean self. You know what I'm saying?
So, what's good, man? We doing check-ins? What's up, man?
I just did a check-in by myself. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Me and the people in that chat.
Yeah, that's a check-in. Sure, buddy. So, Bree, now the chat check-in already there and there.
Yeah.
All right, so people,
Yeah,
thanks
I
for
got.
tuning in and joining us tonight for another episode of Vybz Friday. Again, I don't know me, I don't know them. But, I mean...
Dr. Sour, man. You know me, man. I don't know if y'all met me before, yo, but...
The bandit and bandage in face this week, I don't know why I think that was safe. And...
I got a date tonight, I think.
Oh, I think them. I don't know anything so that was safe if you come out without the mask and Halloween pass already. So.
First of all.
Yeah. What?
I went to wherever.
Oh, he got the edge up. He got the fresh edge up and everything.
Yeah. So talk.
Jay did your edge up. You know he do. You know he cut.
Fresh job. Fuck up them head top. Bumbo cloud. What you had, girl?
Be a coat. That boy had trying to look at yo. Yo, I be saying, brother, you see, man? I swear. Yo, I heard we have some shout outs we got to do. We got a shout out.
Shit, man.
You know?
I have a shout out my cousin today.
Yeah.
With our cookout.
Oh, I heard about that.
Yeah, Manta.
I heard about that.
She said
He
she
is a
off
big
the
buck
food
when
and
shoe
people
out.
don't get no plate.
Yeah.
I wish I was there for that, yo.
Yeah.
I mean, yo, my cousin them can't cook in a dog.
Yeah, country
Well,
cooking.
my whole family can't cook.
yeah.
Everybody in my family can't cook.
Except you.
Except for Najee. Najee can't cook.
Damn.
What?
Why would you do that to her, man?
Me not care. I'm my cousin. But him can't talk. Everybody know me can't cook. Me a big chef around here.
It's episodes to prove different, though.
What you mean episode to prove different?
Bro, it's 4K, bro.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
Me want to see proof of that.
Okay.
Which episode?
It's online, bro. Everything is on the internet, bro.
When I don't find you, don't tell me, because I don't believe in that one.
Yeah, I swear it was a cook-off.
I heard about that. I wasn't even there.
Jenny Wagwan. But like I said, people, she did a cookout today and it was very successful. So we want to thank everybody who go support her. And one next one I forward soon just because you know support us her so well. So we thank everybody who go support my cousin cookout. So yeah.
That is it.
And yeah, shout out to my management team. Always active because of them. I keep we in line and
Yo, I just want to say real quick, as we had the shout out to management, but W group chat last night.
This nigga.
I'm just saying. No, hold on. Because I said I was going to talk my ish.
Talk for your shit first and me talk,
I said I was going to talk my ish because I said W group chat, but we got a lot accomplished, as you see, you know. But I feel like some people paycheck should be short. I'm just saying. I'm not pocket watching. I'm just pocket watching. I'm just saying, bro. Just saying. Because a lot of people weren't there. We had, you know, we were group chatting for like almost 5 hours, bro.
Yeah.
Crazy. So What was going on with that, man? Even DJ Bucket tuning. It's crazy. That man was, you know what? On the work. That man took a 15-minute break. It was like, all right, let me check in from another work. But
sometimes things come up, man. Sometimes.
No judging over here.
Sometimes shit happens, yo.
The Vybz did right, man. And I always say I chicken with. I would have an Earth song over a weekend. Nobody had no Earth song over like what last
week?
Was it Benji?
Benji.
Yeah, we did that last week. We said we drinked up last week.
Somebody else never have one birthday this week.
That's what I can think of, yo.
Oh.
Yeah, but anybody who watch this have a birthday too.
Yeah, anybody else celebrate something to that?
Yeah.
Cups up.
Why the event? No event now forward up.
Oh, that's a lot of events coming up,
bro.
Wait.
I don't think we're ready though.
You remember last week when you said a party name? When you say party name, we're talking about the same party.
Save the date.
Save the date.
Save the date.
He was very proud of that statement.
Yo, that shit was funny as hell, yo.
He was very proud. I ain't gonna lie though. When he passed me the phone, I was gonna second it.
Because it said it in big letters.
Big and bold, you know?
That was the flyer to say
the
to tell you
promo.
how to save
That's
the
the promo version, But yeah, MVP. When was that again?
December 28th, is it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's gonna
yearly
be a big
event. So
party. Yeah, man.
you don't know say people that follow us.
Yeah,
shout out to Uncle Dixon, yeah.
So when?
Part 6.
Part 6.
Part 6 is crazy.
Part 6 is
You
crazy.
already know how they parties go, man.
Yep.
You already know how that one. Remember last year we had Hood Celebrity there. We was at Water Street. That shit was fun as hell.
Yep. Pull
what's
up,
up,
man.
It's Junior's All Black.
Yeah, that's Andre,
yeah.
Fresh and clean.
Yep. Yeah, the whole. Yeah, I think the next month, for the end of the month and the next month, we have a few events. But he said me stop party for the rest of the year, but. Yeah, he said me done party, but there's a lot of events.
Yeah,
there's
Fresh and clean, Skylow, December 14th.
That's December 14th. Junior.
So, I'm really flying them now, guys. I mean, I didn't know Ricky Platinum. Ready. What go people? Me say, yo, tune in to Junior R Black. Birthday affair when that. Yeah. Me can't read, me no see the date. A Sky Lounge it a keep. Yeah. Who a play music? Fire Kid. Yeah. DJ. You know what? Flap me, you know. But people, you don't know say Junior's all Black affair, you know. A birthday affair that. You don't know say a Sky Lounge. Me feel say, yo, right now, I put Sky Lounge is just a cheat right now. Like, if you put in that money, you put in that work,
you there. You good. You good.
Because people know it's a safe event. It's it's not too big, it's not too small, pause. But
good so far.
Yeah,
thus far, man.
Got a good reputation so far.
I wish nothing bad on him because it's been great in there, man.
Yep.
Larry, you about to leave? Oh, you about to be out?
Flying out, got a flight.
I was waiting for the toss of the week.
Oh, nah, here we got it right now.
We got you, Larry.
Come on, we got. That's why you do that beer bat like that, yo.
I did, yeah. I was like, we about to drink. No, we're not drinking yet.
All right, yo. Come on, man. Cups up, man. Shouts out to all of the promoters doing anything, any events, anything that we might have missed, anything. Y'all want us to shout out anything, let us know, hit us up, man.
Yeah.
We here for you. Other than that, talk to him.
Yeah, so, and shout out to Mr. All-In.
Always.
Shout out to Anonymous Exotics.
Always.
And shout out to the Livevybz production.
That's a fact.
And thank God we was here last week. And we're here again this week. For that, we thank who?
Man upstairs.
All right.
I'll definitely be back next week. Everything's cool now. So.
All right, Black Jesus.
All right, man. Dang, son. There was some shit I wanted to talk about, man. Our topics of the week, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, so I got one, yo.
The fight.
Well, go ahead.
The fight was rigged.
Yeah, that fight was trash, yo.
Fuck that shit.
That fight was trash, yo.
All right.
You know how much money he made off of that fight?
No, but watch this. This nigga thought Jake Paul stood a chance.
Yo, first of all, I'm glad you entered that conversation. Hold on, let me talk. I'm glad you entered that conversation with that much energy. But when you were supposed to pay me my money, you ain't had that much energy. Why?
He asked for
a win is a win, bro. A win is a win, bro. A win is a win.
Yo,
Win is
this
a
my
win, bro.
thing with that whole thing, man.
Yeah. Rig or not.
Watching that, man. Tyson just old, man.
But
Yeah, I didn't like that part. Yeah,
that was the
fight. I
script,
fight that
though.
still.
We saw, we know, we see
I
the
also
proof now.
feel like it was about. We already knew it was about money, yo. We knew that whole thing was about. You know how much money that man made $60 million off of that shit, yo.
One is retired and one is a YouTuber.
That's not even
Come on
counting
now.
the backdoor shit that he had with Netflix, like the other shit, like the other deals and everything that he had. Like that man made $60 million on paper. That's it paid Tyson 20.
I mean, listen now. He's
the greatest promoter in the world right now.
The thing that I'm hearing, though, the thing that I'm hearing,
the greatest promoter in the world right now.
Oh, with the fights and stuff, or just in general?
Right, bro.
But that's what I'm saying, bro.
That made
They're
$60 million
YouTubers,
in
bro.
one night, yo.
They're
It
YouTubers.
made Netflix a
They're
sports
YouTubers.
hub now.
My YouTubers, huh?
Yeah, but now they gonna play the Christmas game, the Christmas football game is on Netflix now. They gotta fix their streaming shit, but Netflix would have never did. Right, and they got WrestleMania on Netflix now. That shit is crazy. Netflix ain't never live, and it's all live events. Netflix ain't never. It's the new pay-per-view. It's the new pay-per-view. They're gonna start having the UFC fights on there. All
as he said, he think the fight was rigged. He still owe me, bro. I ain't gonna say the dollar amount, but he owe me, bro.
I was gonna bring up the that Jonathan Majors shit. You seen that?
Who named so?
The white girl that Jonathan Majors.
Oh, that she told
the white girl
truth?
took back everything that she said.
But even if he didn't take it back, there's proof that he didn't do shit.
She still sued him. The fact that he picked her up and put her in that car was enough for them, yo. She cut her finger. She sued him because she cut her finger.
Who that?
Ain't that some shit?
The
black man, man. I wish show him coming.
His whole career got shut down. His whole movie career got shut down.
Oh no.
I know his comeback movie gonna be crazy.
If he get one, shit.
They always
he about to marry Megan Good. Now he good.
Yeah, he definitely gonna get one.
Oh, I heard. Yeah. When he was like trying to walk away from her and shit.
He was running away from that white girl, yo.
Ain't that a while back though? The case finally.
Months ago.
You're sending that chat to defend your funds.
But,
I need my funds,
the white girl brought it. She took back all her charges. He can sue her for defamation of character though.
I don't think he's going to though. I feel like I think he's going to take that L.
Fucked his. Yo, he was about to be the new bad guy in Marvel.
Oh.
In DC, in Marvel, he was the Remember, like he was supposed to be the new Thanos in Marvel. For like he had like a 6-movie deal with Marvel, yo, and Disney. As soon as that shit happened, they kicked him out.
Oh yeah, cause he in that Black Panther thing, that's all.
Yeah, he was about to be all of that. He's about to be at all of the movies, yo.
I wonder if they will give him back in contract now that they say everything was they didn't take back everything.
Nah, that's a dub, man. Disney, that means Disney gotta apologize. Disney ain't about to apologize.
And that's the crazy. They would let you write a public apology, but they won't apologize
Disney
once
about to say
they prove
how much
you.
money Disney
Bro,
got?
they rich, bro. Come on now.
Disney, yo.
That's Disney, bro.
Disney, yo. They got
They
money.
do that thing where they let you want to see the people when they make her do them thing there. I think they had Lil Baby doing that shit.
I saw some shit and I found out it was a true story. Somebody went to Disney. They went to a Disney amusement park. There's at Disney World, Universal, one of them shits, yo. And they hurt themselves. It was a dude. His wife hurt herself.
Yeah.
And she couldn't sue them or have anything to say about it because they have Disney Plus. And you sign, when you accept Disney Plus, when you agree to the terms and conditions, it's something there that say like you can't sue Disney for nothing. So because she got hurt at the park, she can't even sue Disney.
Damn.
That's crazy,
That's tough.
yo. That's crazy, yo.
Damn.
That's how you know they got lawyers and they got
rich
money,
though, bro. So I mean,
they got that shit locked down.
Disney's I would just say them. So yeah.
What else was it, yo? Kendrick dropped today.
I said that earlier. I was reviewing it earlier on my way over here.
First two tracks, when drop?
So let me give it a spoiler alert. You're here to hear first. First 2 tracks, fire.
Fire as hell.
Fire. Next 2, You know, I guess Kendrick fans would say, because listen, I'm a fan of music, but I ain't gonna lie. First 2, I heard some disses, I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, the first 2 tracks, I heard,
Fire.
Listen, I'm at work.
Now I'm curious.
I went to work.
I heard all of it. I heard at least
I
5
got
tracks.
probably like 11 today, yo.
I'm gonna go listen.
I'm there, whatever. I'm looking through my phone
Don't
trying
play
to
it
find
right
some
now.
music to play. Just to find something to play.
You can't find it?
Don't play it right now. You definitely gonna get take. Like,
This ain't the time.
Like, come on, Jay.
Yo.
This is not the place.
Yo, so I open my phone. I'm looking for something to play and everything. Yo, I see it out of nowhere. I see Kendrick drop.
Yeah.
Name. I'm like, what the fuck?
You know this gonna be like this is probably gonna be the hottest thing in hip hop until Super Bowl. What you think?
I don't know, bro.
You think? You don't think so?
I mean, Drake ain't gonna drop nothing. If Drake drop, it ain't gonna go as heavy as this.
I mean, everybody going hard right now. Pause. You know what I'm saying? Like all these niggas is really putting in work. Dog came home, Gunna doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? So, Lil Baby he is active again.
When did it drop?
Today at 12 o'clock.
Yeah, it just dropped.
I heard this before.
Anyways, Houseway.
They leaked it already.
That was the intro. Probably the intro song
for the Not Like Us.
Not Like Us. True.
Oh yeah, you heard that part.
Yeah, but they leaked it.
The whole track
to lead up to this.
It wasn't the whole track though. They probably did.
Cause I see this. They dropped this on his page or his story or some shit.
I think the first two tracks for me were.
Yeah, that's one of the tracks of it. The first track is the Whacked Out Morals joint.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check that later.
Yeah, it's a Kendrick vibe. You get, definitely.
Yeah, I gotta finish it, yo. I don't even want to talk about because I gotta finish it, yo.
Okay.
Like I said,
it's fresh. I was listening.
It's crazy. The speaker died at work, so I was like, nah, let me wait there. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah. As I said, I was just on the stream. I was just looking. I was just tuning in for some mix up. I go and see what's going on in the media. But I say he just dropped out of nowhere. So this nigga just, we just end up watching this nigga Academics react to it. And I said the first two songs.
That's your boy, yo. Academics.
Nah, I be tapped in. I'm tapped in. So tapped in.
Nigga, they creep.
Yo, yeah, niggas is weirdos.
Like WAP 100 too.
I fuck with
You might as well start.
I listen to his shit, but I fuck with they so remember we are podcasting, brother. We are news streamer, so I might not fuck with all the shit that they you know what I mean, on their shit. But when it comes on to the media and shit, them niggas is doing it. So you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I'm not that American to where I tune in to all their shit. When they talk about some shit that I know about, I tune in. You know what I'm saying? But I do tune into this nigga Academic shit though. Like, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm sorry to hear that, bro.
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that, bro. Right.
Nah, I'm a chat nigga. I ain't gonna lie. I'm one of them chat niggas because the shit, you know.
Yo, what's up, man? What's going on tonight, man? Because like you said, I missed out on. For people that don't know, I missed out on the meeting last evening. So.
Oh yeah. Meeting was
inform me
what
the
fuck happened. That's what the next hot topic was. We had the Livevybz meeting last night, bro. I think we got on the phone at like 9:30.
It was early. It was like 9 o'clock.
Yeah, because I got out of work by 8:30. So by 9 o'clock, I called everybody.
Yep.
And the call ended at. The call ended at like 1:30. They said that because I fell asleep because this nigga was talking for like 45 minutes now.
About what?
I don't know. First he was talking about the show we was planning the show.
Yeah.
But then I guess everybody was bored, so we just stayed on the phone with each other.
We were just bored. We did our meeting, bro, and then it was just an after meeting, bro. It was just an after vibes to the meeting, bro.
And
but he was tired, and he didn't want to tell everybody, yo, I'm trying to go to bed.
No, nigga.
No. You could just end the call, bro.
This nigga was just talking and talking and talking.
I was nice, nigga.
Him alone talk on the phone, you know?
Nah.
Me drop asleep one night time and wake up and him still a talk.
Chat. Let's ask the chat. Cause you lying.
Me not lie.
It was a good reason.
It was a good reason, bro.
Yeah.
I said there is people that we're not gonna spoil that, but the reason we're going to that meeting, we're gonna bring it probably on the live or y'all gonna get it in the content. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna probably do it like envision it. We want wise on the call. We want to set it up like people could call in. You know what I'm saying? And they don't have to be on camera, just their voice. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like a lot of my friends them intelligent, you know. I know the whole of them don't like me and Jay.
Are you
know what I mean? So we have some really intelligent friends. So they might not want to be on camera and all them thing there, but yeah, we're not going to hear what they want to say. You know what I'm saying? So we had a good conversation though. Yeah. We had a conversation. Like put it like this: the conversation was so good. Like he said, I was doing a lot of talking, but I was doing a lot of listening too, bro. I learned a lot.
I believe with you, man.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's like
I missed the best. I missed the good part.
You probably did, bro. You fell asleep, bro.
Him listening.
Like I was actually paying. I was actually paying attention, bro. You know what I'm saying?
That's wild.
And
that's wild.
This is conversations that we had before, or I had before with him. But
I'm kind of mad I missed this, yo.
Nah, it's a good conversation because we talk about everything. Okay. We talk about so, you know.
Them say management fix things.
But yeah, it was a good meeting, double meeting. You know what I'm saying?
I saw good day and yeah man, when Bucky start and everybody that listen, just shut down.
I'm so pissed I wasn't recording. I was so into the conversation. I always screen record the meeting them. I didn't get the like he was the only one that had his camera on. You want to see Lou was that my book? Dog over there, yo Jay. You can't say I got it. Don't mean no me I do it for spite, but just a chat. We just a chat.
That's look crazy. What you do,
water got it cracked and water got in it.
Dang, yo.
I see all phone.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
But people, W group chat last night. Yeah, but tonight is games night.
Yeah, what's going on with this?
We don't know further ado.
What's going on, man?
Got me nice.
Elaborate, please.
What you mean what's going on? We vibing.
We have 2 games. We have
oh shit! Oh shit! Chat. I got a photo, chat.
I would do that.
I don't know if y'all just heard that.
I would do that.
But I got a photo, chat.
I would do that.
I got evidence. Yo.
You can only log in one at a time.
Hey.
Hey now.
I want it blood clot this.
Oh,
can you send that to the producer? Can we get that on the screen?
Okay. I do. All right.
Can we get that on the screen, please?
It was a W group chat.
Check your WhatsApp. Can we get that on the screen?
It was a W group chat. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't get the screen record, but we got content.
A wicked me and you. I trust you.
W management.
Ray, anybody there? You see what you make him do me? What I wanna let down.
Yo, that's the one right there.
Crazy.
That's the one right there. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Like they put me under a rock.
Recording would be funnier, bro. Yo, I think this nigga about to break his neck, bro. I swear to God. Yo, what? But it was active though. We had fun. We talked. I learned some shit for sure.
But like we said today, we did say we have to do some trivia today to see who have some general knowledge of any and everything.
Yeah, Jamaican trivia all y'all, man.
Yeah, not necessarily. We just have to depends on who in the chat. They might throw. They are not call look no friend for me right now. Because right now, no deal with it, but we are dealing with it in the chat. Right now, that picture there. Shouldn't even reach in a bucket phone,
First of all, that was in the group chat. That's what everybody in the group chat gonna see that.
But me nah bucket get that
was in the group chat. So
it was for us all, yo.
It's for us all, nigga. Don't come to single me out.
With the Apple Watch and the
Let me see that shit again.
Yeah, that shit was funny.
Oh man.
Move your phone.
So do y'all have the questions them already up? Like
when they invited trivia question.
Yeah. What's going on for that? I like some trivia questions. I like Ask Smart,
What?
Yeah.
Drop asleep with this spiff in the man.
Yeah.
But burn a hole in your shirt, yo.
Don't worry, people in the chat. That wasn't in the chat, in the group chat. We gonna make a meme.
Yeah, they might get the trivia question ready, people.
Yeah, trivia loading right now.
Yeah, no, right now.
I make sure, as the Americans would say, no corny shit, man. Real talk.
I
No
got
corny
to-
shit, man.
Say my American now.
Yep.
Yeah. I
You
don't even
see
think
my
you can
buzz
say that
though.
shit anymore.
But him there longer than me still, so you must know.
Huh?
You been here longer than me.
At this point, probably 2.5 years. So
At this point.
yeah, I'm getting there.
Yeah. I'm still at 2.
Nah, you just a bold-faced liar. Like,
Bucky,
been
you
at
ain't
2
my guy
years
like
for the past year, nigga. What the
right,
fuck?
We've been doing this for a year.
Right, nigga. You just announced we've been doing this for a year, nigga. God damn.
Yeah, and I've
You gotta
been
know
here
how
for
to
2
lie,
years.
bro. Dang. Getting caught 4K
Test.
is
We are talking about there for
diabolical.
2 years.
You ready?
Why in that time like? Just
Alright.
forward it up.
Y'all ready?
Yes,
Yeah, we're ready.
So, this is Livevybz trivia.
I
First
can't wait for us to
question
get our
is,
headphones.
what is the capital city of Jamaica? Wait, so before y'all say anything, I know this one is basic, but we just gonna, start it out easy. So, go ahead.
Watch your way.
So that I feel Jamaica act. We already.
What's the capital city of Jamaica?
That
You
easy
asking the
for
chat?
you. The chat can't Google that, so that no fear. I book them for yours.
I don't know.
They can't. What? I lie at you. You know, see I lie at you. So nobody with you. Bucky, you have to know that.
You been here for 2.5 years, yo? We was
You
up
know that,
before
you
this.
got-
Why capital city of Jamaica?
Are you? We ask you. I mean, ask you first.
You been here for 2.5 years, you said, right?
Yeah.
So,
And it's not water.
chat what it is. What it
Where
is.
you was
What
at? Where you was at before this?
Yo, chat. Oh, I go on there, chat. Huh?
Where you was at before this?
What is the capital city of Jamaica?
DJ Bucket. People in my ear, you know, talk now, man.
Are you, man?
People in my ear, you know. Why capital city? So why now you try to put me on the spot like
So
that?
is
Me, I only don't
is
see
it
that.
Negril?
No, I answered the first
So
question
wait,
for you.
so is it Negril, Ocho Rios, Mobile, or Kingston?
Which is it, Jay? A, B, or C?
I mean, the next question, dog.
You don't know I wasn't capital, brother. You don't know a Kingston, brother. I'm tell you that. Go on the road now, brother.
Yo, that's crazy, yo.
Difficult for no reason.
What crazy?
So
Okay,
what's the
next-
capital of Jamaica, son?
You just said.
Answer a question, brother. What crazy?
alright.
But then there's in that film language.
Yeah, okay. All right.
I want Kingston, brother. I'm tell you that.
All right.
I don't want to be too controversial, but I say something else, but you know, but yeah, you know, and then beat me, nature. Yeah.
Okay.
Which is the tallest river in Jamaica?
Boy,
Yeah, that's crazy. Yo.
boy. You see me a major river, brother?
Crazy.
Me now imagine the tallest on no river. Take that out, right?
What is the longest river?
Boy, said we.
I don't know about
Why said we, brother? Huh?
You don't know everybody.
You ready? Yeah,
You don't know
man.
Black River.
I think we have a grande yard, you know.
Give me the next one.
Rio Grande.
Grande yard, there yard, you know.
Rio Grande.
Yeah, man, Rio Grande there yard. We have a Nile.
The Nile. You said the Nile. I knew that.
They can't charge
What?
it, you know.
What?
Yeah, but no, you're not charging.
Don't follow me, people.
You want to say the Mississippi next?
Jay, where your charger there?
Oh. You didn't get him, man. Me don't know about that one then.
What was the options?
I think I don't quote me, Chad. I think we have a Rio Grande. I don't
Yeah,
know.
Rio Grande there, yeah, but me don't know if I there long it's.
Yeah, I
In the
don't know.
box.
I must say, I too study them thing there. I got a river, but I don't study how long the river is. I just want to know if the water clean. I have girl there. That's it.
Now which one?
But they not give the answer yet, you know. So they look like they want to give you some options. Hurry, man.
This one if you want to.
So I don't know how this nigga bucking like he's about to play the guitar just now, yo. Yeah, so it look like you about to
I'll be gone till November. I'll be gone.
I'm like, oh, this nigga bucket. Oh, this nigga came back out of nowhere on some shit, yo.
But if most DJ can play instruments.
Yeah, you can probably play the guitar.
Are you ready for the next one?
Shit, yes, right behind you.
Is it what?
You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, look, see?
You got the next question. Wait, I want the answer for you.
No, what's the answer? We don't got an answer? What the chat
Nobody
say?
in our chat know. Chat what you tell me. The producer say nah until we answer, we figure it out.
It's like Jamaica.
Yeah, I want to know why the longest river in Jamaica.
Facts?
Jamaica Jam Facts.
Jam Facts?
Jam Facts.
Alright, let's go to the next one.
Yeah,
So Jamaica has 2 rainy seasons. Use which one is it? May to June, October to November, September to October, or April to May?
October and November.
September to October. When I Google what's in there, brother, we have a hurricane season, that brother. When I Google what? September to October hurricane season, brother.
I saw you go.
Wait, what you say again?
September to October, a rainy season that. Hurricane season that.
Yeah, you're right.
You see me? Yeah, man.
You know the time that we need to be.
See how you know.
You just go stand outside.
Yeah, you know.
And
no,
that.
You don't go to the water out there.
And that's all for Jam Facts.
Bird sometime.
What's the next game? What the next game I got?
Hey.
Yeah, that's just like the same trivia, but with like wide range.
Yeah.
You might know.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Let's do some general knowledge.
Yeah, if you feel like you matter. You see today they work your dog. Like me not like working them dog again. Human beings. Me go call and complain.
Yo.
He said we gotta call HR.
Yeah,
Yo, Biz, that's about call HR.
Who is HR?
Rio Mino.
Yeah, girl.
Rio Mino.
Yo, your friend too lazy, brother. Every time him got him there at work. Yo.
Yeah, chat got it right.
Chat got it right?
Chat got it right.
What was it? The river thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I never hear them. So what I'm saying?
I don't know where the river they know.
Where the name?
Rio Mino.
Alright.
Where's it at?
Rio Mine.
Where is it at?
Rio Mino, Rio Mine.
Hey.
It's by one of their hoods.
Boy, but we don't know. Me not studying the language.
You can't assume me not say you can't ask me about river. Me I want them people there when them tell you say don't go to the river. You will drown. I believe.
Yeah.
You was really from the mountains, huh?
I believe. I just trees and things. That was my thing.
Listen, man.
Me I got river my son. Can't swim.
Listen, man. Wow. Yo, we play some damn. Yo.
So what's up? What's the general knowledge questions I got?
You never find out.
Damn, no what? 6 drop.
Never get
What is general? What kind of general knowledge question you want to ask?
I wasn't asking. I was asking the
Why?
questions. I thought I was getting asked the questions.
Oh.
Okay, take off your glasses. You put your glasses over my ears.
You was acting me, wasn't you?
Yeah. No, me and I see him both, you know. I produce over there, wait, pan. You see me? But me nice, you know. You see me?
We got some wicked questions for Kenny, because I don't know, say, me quick like that.
Okay.
Yo, Jay. Alright, Jay, let me ask you a question. Listen now.
Hold on, let me get Kenny real quick. I don't ask no fuck.
No, me not asking no
Which
fuck.
TV show doesn't take place in a hospital? Why are Grey's Anatomy host Scrubs?
What? Doesn't?
Grey's Anatomy.
The time is
or
running.
Scrubs, or what was the other one?
Wire and House.
The Wire.
Alright, cool. Which musical instrument is Eric Clapton mostly associated with?
I don't know who that is.
I got options.
Oh, piano, drums, guitar, saxophone.
Guitar.
Okay. Which of the following is a 3D model of Earth? A globe, the map, the compass, the picture from space.
The globe.
See, Madonna Beautiful Stranger comes from the soundtrack a film in which series? Fast and Furious, American Pie, Austin Powers, James Bond.
Austin Powers.
Which of the following may be ferromagnet? Time run out. But all I didn't get right so far in the dog. That's good. You know something.
In the same classes, my bar nerd, you know.
Yo, by the way, Harvard is offering free courses right now, man.
I fuck with my nerd friends.
Yo, I gotta look out for them. Yo, Harvard offering free courses online, man. Yeah, get on, man. Get on with Harvard online, man. They get you some classes, man. Y'all can get a degree from Harvard like me, man.
What's your question?
My question? Oh. All right. If FAT are fat, HE are a her, put it together. What is it? Time are going on.
Shub Shuba. Shub
Time are
Shuba.
Father.
Where help him for?
Who help him? Wait, I know. Remember, you can't spell enough.
They ain't want
if
to say
you're
that
asking
shit.
for help, dog, just ask for help you. We did the spelling bee a couple weeks ago.
Anytime you put a T before the H, it's the TH sound.
Yeah, your son can't help you.
It's a different sound.
Can't tell about that blood clot. Yo,
When you never tell me no one to bring a question, man. Would I bring some tricky questions come give them, man?
We don't question, cause first thing we have question, Bucky.
We just there for all the vibes.
Yo, so it ain't on the teleprompter, but I seen that y'all was talking about Ludi and everything. Ludi is a game I've never won in my life, yo.
It's not a win. That game, you know. Yo, more who play Ludi, Fred? Yo.
I play dominoes.
Come and play. Yo, or you play Ludi. Or you play Ludi, Jay.
I don't fuck with Ludi, yo.
No,
I ain't
that,
or you play
Ludi. Over here, them call it sorry.
What do you mean sorry?
That's basically what it is.
Yeah.
It is basically sorry. You're right.
Yeah.
What do you mean sorry? What that mean?
That's the name of the game. That's basically.
But when I said though, in terms of the rules of Ludi, you know, cause when me play Ludi, you know, when me shoot all your soldier, you know, I'm a father of my jail, you know, I have to pay me for release him, you know.
Oh.
And then, you see me?
Pay your hoe.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. So you see when time me kill you now? You see when time me kill you now? First of all, you have to lock and stop before you go in. You see me? And then I run in. I don't do the running thing. You can't run from war. You see me? So when we are playing now, lock and stop.
Play Ludi right here, yo.
Huh?
Play some chess, yo.
Turn off your Bluetooth on the iPod.
First of all, you ain't gonna just use your Harvard degree. Trying to use your Harvard degree.
I'm just saying, man. Play some chess, man. We can play some
I
chess.
could learn chess, and you know, I'm just saying. Why you just gonna try to turn? You know, I'm explaining my whole. First of all, we're not playing a bumbo clock chess. If I tell you what I mean.
Hey, yo,
we can never play some chess though.
When we played chess the first time, yo, my uncle was like, yo, if you want to be out here, because I was young and I was being stupid, he's like, yo, you want to be out here and be on some bullshit out here, yo? You need to learn how to play chess. I'm like, but he's in the military and shit. And then everybody I know that really know how to play chess, them niggas be jail niggas, yo. Jail niggas be nice at chess, yo.
I learned chess a little bit in high school, but
they got mad time. Yo, learn that shit, yo.
Bars.
Checkers my thing there, man. Ludi and checkers.
Yeah, I can play checkers.
Yeah.
Checkers ain't shit, man. Checkers piss me off.
Yeah, we are Jamaican and everything.
Niggas be quadruple jumping you and shit.
First of all, when I
just jumped the whole board, nigga.
What do you mean? It takes. That's kind of a little bit of chess in it too, because you gotta think ahead. Buddy. You gotta think ahead, bro.
Skip the whole board.
And checkers is two different pieces. That's it. It's either the queen or your king. What is it? The king me? Like king me? King or just your regular checker.
Regular
pieces.
soldiers. Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
In chess, you got a whole lineup in front of you. You got all of your pawns, all of your soldiers in front of you. You got your bishops. You got your knights. You got your castles. You got your queen next to you. And you just gotta protect your king, protect yourself, yo. So you line everybody up.
You protect. Now queen, you protect.
Nah, your queen is out there putting in work.
Oh, the queen.
Your queen can do the most work out of anybody.
Okay. Okay, so you protect the king and I.
Yeah, your queen can get up in they shit and they get back out up in they hood and they get back out.
All right, bet.
So
but no, I
you
don't
know
think
where you know where that the queen can go.
You
That's
each
when you learn the game,
chess
you learn which each piece does.
Each piece can only move a certain distance from where they are.
Or a certain way. It's not necessarily a certain distance. It can be a certain way.
Yeah, and a certain way. You know what I'm saying? So as he said, the queen could probably move.
She can move
1, 2 moves, 3 moves,
she can
all
move
the way
all
across
over
the board.
She can go diagonal.
You know what I mean?
She can go across. She can go down. She can do whatever.
Pawns, they could probably move one or two
one at a
moves
time. Their
shit.
first move, you could go 2 moves. You go 2 spaces, or you go 1 for the pawn.
And those are like the smallest
and after
pieces.
that, it's only 1 move. You can only take something with a pawn. You gotta go down. We have to put a chessboard up.
Yeah, we'd have to show you.
Explaining it right now, you ain't gonna get it.
But the basic is, it's like, how many different pieces are there? I know the pawn, the queen, the king, bishop, the
16 each.
Come on now. You say you play chess now. Come on now. I don't play chess and I got 4. Come on now.
Let me see.
Come on now. Help me. But basically, it's like 5 of them, right? Each of them got their own duties, basically. They can only do so much. So they got to piggyback on the next person. They can't. That's why they say it's kind of a little complicated or hard.
It's 32 pieces altogether.
You know
16 pieces. Yeah, so it's 16 pieces a piece.
No, I'm saying, well, how many different pieces to a side?
16 a piece.
Oh my God.
What he's asking you the names.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay.
I just named the shits too.
So what are you talking about? Why'd you ask the question if you
Because I don't know if that's all of them. Is that all of them? I don't know.
It's the king, the queen, the knights, the bishop, the rooks, and the pawns.
Wait, 1?
The kings.
Yeah.
The queens.
Yeah.
The bishops.
Yeah.
The rooks.
Yeah.
And the pawns.
Yeah, that's
so
not
it's
5.
5 different ones.
So I name 4, but I want it take so long for a name. You gotta figure out on your phone for name the one?
I don't know, man. We gonna work with you, bro. We gonna work with you.
But people, I said, but I like when you cut me off and I say I load the way I go play. I try to give you the rules to Ludi.
Go ahead.
You know what I'm saying? Because we're going to play Ludi now. So Ludi.
I'm not playing Ludi.
No, you're going to play Ludi, man. Okay, you're going to do it. You see me?
I'll play Ludi before a few times. I just ain't never.
Well, see, alright. The way we play Ludi, dog, you see, yeah, we play Ludi. We can't start all now. We play till the morning.
No, all that. Why let's play with
what that mean?
Yeah, man. Beans, you know what I'm talking about? Yo, you can't
forget. You playing all day?
Yo, what you know about Greenwich from 3rd Street, Lodi? Yo, I'm here, brother. From now till the morning.
Just make up stuff, you know?
Because basically, as I said, we put so many different rules and house rules to it. Because a lot of people when they play Lodi, as me say, running. Like, you know what I mean? Each person have a heaven or a home that they got to go to. And you start at your home and you got to go to heaven. You know what I'm saying? And you throw 6 to get out and to go around the board type shit.
Where's heaven is the middle of the board?
Heaven is the middle of the board.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Each person got a different gateway to heaven. To get to heaven, you got to double up.
How many players?
You got to lock your gate. 4 players. You know what I'm saying? So, to get out your house, you got to do doubles.
Yes.
You have a gate on your house.
That's just like what is that game? Oh,
yeah, I just named
sorry or whatever. Yeah.
I just named it, right? Now, when it comes down to the difficulty, though, if I land on your player, I dead. But you regular players, they put that shit back in your house.
What does that mean for the American people?
Huh?
What does that mean? If you land on my player, what does that mean?
It's just like checkers, bro. You take that
piece.
Yeah, you take that.
How many pieces do you start the game with? Does each
4.
player start the game with?
Each person got 4 pieces.
So if you take all 4, if somebody take all 4 of my pieces, I'm out of the game.
No, you keep playing. You gotta to get out, or we can't. So 6 to us is like money. We kind of translate the dice, the numbers on the dice to like money.
I understand that.
You know what I'm saying? So 6 is to get out of jail type shit, or to get out of your house. So when you roll a double, you could born again.
But what if,
you know what I'm saying?
But
you die. All right, yeah, you die. Yeah, I said it right.
No, you
die.
say you play, but when you kill somebody, you take their player.
I take the player, yeah.
So How do you retrieve? Can you retrieve back?
You can retrieve the player by throwing double six. But when you throw that double six, you can't just put it on the board. You gotta bring it in your house.
And throw
another double six
on your next
to
turn.
born again.
On your next turn.
No, you throw a double six, so you're gonna throw again. When you throw a double six, I get for two again.
But I feel,
but
I feel like if you throw it, let's say you go to jail, right? And then you throw a double six to get out. I feel like you should get your turn skip and you gotta throw again to get out.
Yeah, I mean, what's the chances
Nah,
you throwing double six?
because once you throw sixes, bro, you get for two again.
What's the chances of you throwing double six 2 times in a row?
No, you can. You can.
I mean, I know it's possible, but what's the chances of that happening?
You can, and that's where the excitement I feel comes in the game, because a lot of people put on that poker face and that shit happens. That niggas will call for different cards or different numbers, and just like all niggas play dice, and they call for different numbers, and that shit pop up, and you would see a nigga way over there. I'm saying, oh man, I slapped the boy there, you know. I'm gonna count to throw it from here, so I say,
that's how you know. That comes from don't know how to throw dice though.
I don't know how to throw dice, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't feel like there's a specific way to throw it.
There's people that can throw dice.
What you mean? So you say there's an art of throwing dice?
Hell yeah.
Nah, bro. Dice is random, bro. Dice is random, bro. Don't let nobody fool you, bro.
But if you could throw dice, you could know what you. I ain't saying it's consistent.
That's an
I
art,
won't
bro.
say it's consistent like that, but
that's an art, bro.
Throwing
dice is an art, bro.
Me can't grasp that.
You can't. Yeah, I want to learn the game, to be honest with you, but you can't. That's not.
That's just luck.
Yeah, I luck that, brother. There's no guarantees in rolling the dice, bro. You crazy. You crazy if you think that.
I'm not saying you're crazy, but I just can't see.
No, you know, I don't know how to do it.
They say they have trick dice, no?
It's probably trick dice.
Oh yeah, that was the magnetic shit. Yeah, we're not talking about that shit.
I'm talking about just regular dice. Niggas be knowing how to throw their dice, Joe.
So you think? So y'all tell me, say, I'm on.
What you smoking?
This some
You see the buzz?
This some what your name?
That cheesecake shit or some shit like that?
Nah, this some
I don't remember what the fuck I got from you.
It was supposed to be some damn I forgot. I'll tell you when I do. That's some good shit. But no, when it comes on to that, bro, like dice random, brother. You can't tell me say, yeah, a man can show you say look good throwing the dice, or he get lucky a few times.
And even if you shape
I don't
dice,
know, but that should
be more fun, no? To keep rolling.
More I learn the rules are like American dice games, so I ain't gonna lie. Cause I always be watching that shit. But with the Luda thing still, like, as me say, we can't, like, that's a great game for us, I think, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because nigga, we can vibe all that. You can smoke, you can drink.
I don't think we can play Luda all day.
It have to be something for you, bro. It have to be like you have to be a man with the ends, brother. You know you're not bleaching, brother. But you have to be a man who can bleach, like brother. I know, say, oh, you know you can hang, bro, in the American channel. You gotta be able to hang, bro.
Nigga, you can't even hang.
What? Alright, nigga.
Watch at the end of that spliffy, and if him drink nothing else, and you will find out.
Yeah, I got a whole
and
nother
you have
podcast
any glasses
to go to.
I sleep that I go.
I got a whole nother podcast to go to right now. That's it.
Oh, word?
Yep.
Oh, you got 2 jobs, yo.
2 jobs, bro.
I see.
I stay busy, bro. This is foundation, but you know we gotta be out there. So
you got a whole nother show.
Yeah,
so,
content coming soon, guys. Look out.
That's what they call OnlyFans now, a podcast.
Bro.
Because that's the only podcast shooting at this
bro.
time. You're a nasty nigga. Go ahead, do you though. Make your money.
Yo. So what's up, man?
Oh man.
Y'all trying to play a game or something, or we
talking
about it?
Y'all getting fresh right now.
No, but we did play some domino. But they want to play some domino still. Is it me? But we not have the domino. Is it me? We don't have the domino.
Yeah. This nigga, yo. No, try to get the loaded board now. Search and things.
Yeah,
so,
because
but if you don't get nothing else, you have a backup thing. You want to get some damn.
You don't know big my level. I ain't gonna lie. Chat beat me. Management. But you don't know. When I got off of work today, bro, I'm gonna go get a haircut, dog. I'm reaching, dog. And fresh your fuck. Could have moved, dog. I don't know, bro. We never do too much work.
You was feeling yourself after you got your haircut, yo.
I don't know. I was
hungry. He ain't know how to act, yo.
This nigga. I have mad shit to do, bro, but I never want to do nothing, dog. I just lay looking on my bed. You see me?
No, man, why you shaking like that, man?
I'm weird as a bitch.
No, I can't stay one place too long.
You good, man? You alright? You got an edge up, don't know how to act. No, that's crazy.
Yo, your parallel Smith can run the helmet one, man.
Oh yeah, nah, I'm not playing that shit.
Yo, run the little split, dog.
Bro.
I'm licking your blood clot.
I'm not playing that shit, nigga. The fuck?
Dog, you have to play that. Can you tell
I'm not. Yo, me tell you, brother, I'm a big man, dog.
What's up?
I'm gonna play certain game, you know. I get migraines in there, dog.
The same thing when you do on the stream, we carry stream and you put on the helmet and slap him in the head.
Oh, what was the rules for that, by the way?
No, you just gotta figure out who hit you.
Oh, yeah. I thought they didn't play music or something?
Yeah,
okay.
just to cover the noise.
Yeah.
Say yes, Buffy.
I'm not playing
Yo, can you tell the dog play no licking your blood clot?
You can't peer pressure me, you know. I'm a big man.
Peer pressure me, dog.
Yo, hold on, man.
I'm not put on that. I'm just put on my ear. I don't know if I France you go on that. Go on bright.
I'm not tired, you know.
Bright. Yeah, me supposed to me be when I'm out there clap to the blood to that.
Bucky, man, come on, man. Let's
No,
get
me
it,
not
man.
put on.
You can't see with them shades.
Why I gotta put it on? Why you gotta put it on?
We about to go through the line.
Yeah.
Nah. I answered the question. You ain't do shit all night.
I just answered the whole line of questions, got them all right.
Earn your paycheck, bro.
I got every question right. My paycheck was earned. How many questions you got right? How many I got right?
One.
All of them.
I got one right.
I got all of my questions right.
That's good enough.
That's crazy.
That's good blood clot.
That's crazy.
I'm put on the helmet still, brother. I don't tune the dog. Me tell him come on.
Come on, man.
You dog. That helmet, dog.
Yo, how tall man doing, yo?
I go put on the helmet.
That's why I laugh, because he would have done it.
Yo, my boy. No, boy. No, boy. See the recovery still, my G.
Yeah, dog, out there. I see dog I promote some kind of energy drink. I say, what the hell?
Oh, that one?
Mm-hmm. And he put his phone up on the firm. I don't know him take it up.
Good.
But him say him supposed to do.
G, good man.
But dog, put that helmet, dog.
So why would I play helmet? You know me put on helmet.
Give
me a idiot. I mean, you want to take my idiot.
No, every say I go down the line, but you have to do the most challenging person first.
I'm not putting no fucking helmet on my head, nigga. The fuck?
So if I do it, you gonna do it, yo?
I won't bring up game.
If I do it, you do it, yo?
Me say me not play games, brother. Me know my contract never say that. That me I tell you no. So I can't come tell me put on a helmet. I'm putting brother.
Put on a helmet, dog. Yeah, no, but
you sound like them kids, like when them kids are trying to size shit up. You ain't about to instigate shit, nigga. You won't pay my bills. I don't know. With the bumbo clot, brother. Oh, what that move? Bumbo clot, dog. Yo, man, I got my blood clot, yeah, man. Yo, give me a switch, dog. You want me a switch? Give me a blood clot. What a bumbo clot, chat.
Yeah.
I got you, yo.
Yo,
fuck, man.
I signed, dog.
That's why I'm not around with picnic.
If you have an helmet, that'd be a safety precaution.
The fuck? That's some good weed, this, you know.
That'd be a safety precaution if you have one. Dog, you can get back out of that weed.
No, I just want to give me a bunch to make it up.
What?
I'm going to have a thing that up to you. Buttons.
Shout out to you, Mr. John.
What's up, man? You gonna put the helmet on, yo?
Nah, put on it.
Come on, man.
Dog, I'm just going to mash up all my mates right now, dog.
I get back more weed. Move your blood clot. You always bounce back.
More weed than you lost, too.
I don't need to use all this shit right. I just need to hurry up and roll this shit right now and get back my mates right. Yo, DJ.
What is he?
Walk on that chat.
More weed than you lost there.
Big up people in Chester, you know? Let's play some dice.
That me a top room.
That me a top room.
That me a top room.
That
Yeah, man, you can run up the cash up, you know. When the pan, no, it's nice.
You run up the cash up. Get that blood clot, you need to pay me.
Did I say you're going to get your pay? Let me roll some dice, man, so I can buy money. Right now, me first, you know. We can't hook up the next time if we try to stream the PS5, you know.
Let's get it, yo. What games you got? Hey, you got a
Yeah,
PS5
no,
and
yeah,
a new
no.
phone?
What the fuck?
You got a PS5 too?
No, him?
Yeah.
You say you are 9, brother. You know, me
You
finish.
got the PS5 and the new phone.
I'm nine.
Oh, my fault, bro. I'm about to say.
Yeah, act like him now, you know.
Nah, I'm about to say, I know you was getting money like that. That's on me, bro. My fault. My fault.
Me not get no money.
My fault, bro.
Me not get no money.
My
Me
fault,
tax
bro.
just come early.
Yo. I even see when I post in that chat, boy. Anyway, you gotta get some juice. I even live the closest to the store now.
Yeah, but me
I
the
have
year.
a new Apple Watch.
But me not no Apple shoes. I mean not no Apple gas. The fuck?
See me have Apple gas?
Yeah.
Yeah, that Gladiator 2 movie came out.
Which Gladiator that?
The new one with Denzel in it.
Oh, yeah. Yo, he's an old nigga. Yeah. Definitely wanna check that though. I like all of them type of shit.
Yeah, that's just
That we should run off at topic quick.
Some new movies.
That's some. I think a couple good
what's
movies
out
for
right
you know.
The Gladiator 2 out right now.
Yeah.
What's out right now that we can tap into?
That's
That's
what?
good.
What's out right now that we can tap into?
You just tell her.
Oh, I ain't hear you.
Gladiator 2.
the fuck?
Oh. Other than that, nigga, I didn't see the
Yo,
Huh?
What's that? Is fighting?
Yeah, man.
Yo, get you the funny dog. Like, what the fuck is nigga not hear nothing?
Denzel in it.
You know, my world right now.
You know who Denzel Washington is?
You know what Gladiator before? See, email used to them kind of.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Remember I saying no what? See?
Gun show
Yeah.
much, dog.
He not
What?
kosher.
Gun show much.
You thinking cool? Going
Shit.
to watch. You watch the
I
Gladiator?
like
not
heist
the
movies.
You
I
watch the
like.
Gladiator already, not you?
What's the best heist movie to watch?
Damn. You can't put me on the spot like that.
I like heist movies.
Heist?
Heist.
Like high building?
No, yeah,
I
more like
like-
heist. Like them
Damn.
robbing a bank.
I can't think of none
Oh,
right now.
bank heist.
Bank heist.
Bank
Yeah,
heist,
thank
bro.
you. That's what
Yeah, it don't gotta be a bank
Try
heist.
again, Jay.
You know what was a good
Heist.
movie? The one where they was doing magic to do the heist. That shit was fire.
Magical?
When they was doing the magic shit to do heist. And now,
Oh,
now
yeah.
You see me?
Yeah. When they,
Yeah, that was a
when
dope
I
movie.
saw the
the
preview,
name
I
of
never
that?
saw that.
That was a good ass movie. It's called Now You See Me. They was literally doing magic, like different illusions and shit, to pull a heist off, to do bank heist. They was pulling mad bread.
I thought
It was two of them.
I'm about to write that down. Hold on.
Yeah, it's two of them. Them shits was both good.
Yeah, but check out that. Don't go one heist movie, me say I wanted 50 Cent.
But Takers was dope.
Takers was mad.
Where you
I
want
mean,
50
that's the
Cent?
only thing I can think of right now. I'm sorry, you know.
The one with 50 Cent
Oceans,
too.
you know the
Ocean's 11.
Oceans.
Ocean's 11 was the best one.
Yeah, Ocean, them Oceans was dope.
The other ones was mid. The first one was the best one.
Damn.
Where were we 50 Cent name?
Dinner
I know we
Thieves.
talk.
Yep.
They
Yeah.
coming out with part 2 to that.
I saw that too.
I went and saw
I
some
don't
weak
think
ass
nobody's
movie
soon,
this
though.
past week, and that movie was trashed out, but they thought it had a trailer for that.
I don't think it's no damn soon with that. Den of Thieves. I don't think I next see them like that.
It was alright. It was pretty good.
They already dropped it?
No, part 2. I ain't see part 2. No, part
That's what I'm
2
saying. I don't
ain't
think
yet.
they dropping it that anytime soon.
They have one old school one with one girl with a thief, golden mask. And
Oh,
she had to go
yeah.
through the invisible lasers.
Okay, yeah.
She had to practice for mad long.
Entrapment.
Good, yeah. That one was a classic.
Yeah, that's a classic.
I know we talking about movies, but I fuck with Leverage.
Leverage was a good show,
Leverage
yo.
is my shit.
Leverage. I wish they would bring that back nowadays, yo.
What is that?
It was a show about a bunch of different con artists that came together just to pull different heists. Like they was police, but they was not police. Like
They ain't no damn police. Them niggas is thieves.
Yeah, they was thieves. They was thieves.
Them
yo.
niggas is thieves, bro.
They was just pulling big ass heists. They was all con artists that came together.
Yeah. So basically, yeah, as you say, they're con artists, but they stopped stealing for themselves, obviously, because they already rich. They still steal, but Just for the fun of it.
That was a good ass show, yo. I wish that show would come back. It's like 4 or 5 seasons of that shit, wasn't it?
Yeah, they did like the redemption of it, and
that'd be dope.
But they didn't need to really bring it back. Other than that, there's a few other. I'm frustrated on, so we can't think of them. But
so if you had to play a part in a bank heist, which part would you play?
Good
the
question.
lead, the watch, the driver, or the guy that go grab the money?
I want to be a mastermind.
Me not trust your plan for your teeth.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be the one that's going in and grabbing the money. Inside Man, that was a good one.
I'm gonna be the driver.
Yeah, I remember that.
The Denzel.
Which one
Driver is crazy, bro. Driver is crazy.
Just clap buckets at the gun. Man, I'm showing people.
On the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground. Nobody move. Nobody gonna get
We are not promoting bank heists over here, guys. We're just talking about our passion for heist movies.
Set it off.
Set it off.
We're talking about our role in our friend Hollywood L.A. Larry's new film.
Italian Job.
That sounds familiar.
That was a good one. That was with Mark Wahlberg.
Which one? What was the last one?
The Italian Job. When they had the little Mini Coopers they was driving around.
There's a few of them that.
Is there any James Bond on there?
I ain't gonna lie. Who?
James Bond wasn't a heist though. He wasn't doing heists.
He's an agent that. Well, true. So that means say.
So I'm seeing man, I'm smart, you see.
Even though it's overrated, but Fast and Furious.
There was heist. They was definitely doing heist.
You're right. You know, yeah.
They was doing heist.
You want something?
They was definitely doing
That's
heist.
Your you know, that's your fire.
20. You ever seen the movie 21?
Yep.
Where they was going to Vegas, they was doing Atlantic City, some shit.
Yep.
The poker game.
Yeah.
Yep.
Taker's definitely on here.
Oh yeah, which one is?
That's just like the mainstream thing, you know. So
it is. Breezy was in that shit. And T.I.
Yeah. But I fuck with it, you know, for the love of the heist movie.
Yeah, he was in that too.
And then that other nigga with the blue eyes.
Bro, that had an all-star cast. Damn.
Yeah, had a dope cast. There's a lot of like
Matt
celebrity cast.
Paul Walker was in that shit.
In Takers?
Yeah.
I don't recall. Oh yeah.
That's Zoe girl. Yeah, they had an all-star cast.
Take it off. Who would you be?
Who? Set it off.
Yeah.
Take it off. What? Nigga? Chat. At least we get to use the boo. What? And chat with that. We are tuned into the aftermath because we know I get more from Jay. You know I get nothing more from Jay. I swear. God damn. Now something to no serious tonight, that. I swear, brother. Big
one, dog.
Yo, the music guy, yo. We done with the night, yo.
Don't know, dog.
Where the music
We
at, bro?
done, yo. Bucket, yo. Like,
yeah, don't know, dog.
Yo, I need some tools for this bucket, yo.
DJ Bucket.
Yo.
Take them boys in.
Yo.
Yeah, people.
Yeah. You already know, man.
That was my strategy.
Another one, man.
Here's a grand cruise on going.
Play a tune out. Play a tune. All the vibes. Play a tune. Come we live.
No, Diddy.
Live vibes. We live in the studio. We live.
DJ Bucket, your boy, Gary J.
Not this hour.
I'll be there for all about an hour. So again, we tell you if you like the vibe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, what's the freestyle, Kenny? Yeah, what's the freestyle, go?
Like the vibe, subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Again.
If you like the vibe, subscribe. Subscribe. The vibe, subscribe. Every Friday night, yeah, we live. In a chat, yeah, we like the vibe, subscribe.
you like the vibe, subscribe. The channel name, Livevybz.
Ready now. Everybody know that we party, we vibe every Friday night. You know this the vibes. Like the vibes, you better subscribe. Every Friday night it's YouTube Live.
Alright, like the vibe, subscribe. If you like the vibe, subscribe. If you like the vibe, subscribe. Ready? If you like the vibe, subscribe. In the chat, if you like the vibe, subscribe. Like the vibe, subscribe. Like the vibe, subscribe. Ready?
DJ Bucky, run it. We don't want you to part.
So we top on the belly, then we go style. And the pussy, you ready for the ghost like he's always man and I keep on the both side. Be a killer, they and come boy, check the profile. So we top on the belly, then we go style. And the pussy, you ready for the ghost like
Bass International.
C'est quoi? Fix things. Man, I'm hard with the 4-5. Something tuck on me belly, then I know style. And the boss, if you're ready for the ghost life, he's always man and I give from the both side. Be a killer, they a look a boy, check the profile. Something tuck on me belly, then I know style. And the boss, when you're ready for the ghost life, he's always man and I give from the both side. Be a killer, they a look a boy, check the profile. Black said I watch up on my wrist pad. Instant fan, then this man I respond. Touch at the ends, anything me see I get flat. Dark up the clothes, anyway then go make chat. C'est quoi? Man, I'm hard with the 4-5. Something tuck on me belly, then I know style. And the boss, if you're ready for the ghost life, he's always man and I give from the both side. Be a killer, they a look a boy, check the profile. Something tuck on me belly, then I know style. And the boss, when you're ready for the ghost life, he's always man and I give from the both side. Be a killer, they a look a boy, check the profile. Pitch black said I watch up on my wrist pad. Instant fan, then this man I respond. Touch at the ends, anything me see I get flat. Dark up the clothes, anyway then go make chat. I'm not ready for it now, them not ready for it. The 16 I carry scoop. By me enemies, yeah, me keep me thing them close like my relatives. 4-5, something tuck on me belly, then I know style. And the boss, if you're ready for the ghost life, he's always man and I keep from the both side. Be a killer, they a look a boy, check the profile. Something tuck on me belly, then I know style. And the boss, when you're ready for the ghost life, he's always man and I keep from the both side. Be a killer, they a look a boy, check the profile.
Bass International.
Me feel undefeated, don't beat me still a bonnet. One shot me use, kill him, boy, leave a feel like on it. Gunshot no carry feelings, this will left your mama ballin'. Pump action, carry hatred for your pussy, well of talk lip. This girl no carry safety, fuck around, he left your heartless shot. Whip you like slavery, some moving on to fuck me, nah, no screw me, love it, fuckery if it's true. Red beam on the Nina, she wear lipstick today. Car trunk, gotta either which bitch wanna play.
Thanks for tuning in again, people. Every Friday with the other Vybz Friday. Tonight we just do some quick trivia and kick back on, you know, test our friend them brain power. So right now, people, DJ Bucky put on some views. And the after Vybz segment this, you know, so we up with the fire and the tunes again, you know. So stay tuned and go and rock and go in. Oh God!
Too much money for dead, no dog like too much money a year. Pink card, some green and some blue money in here.
Yeah!
You're not invited, get the fuck out of here. Fuck up the level and don't need to be casino. All of me that them got money up in the club.
Again, this is the after Vybz. Get a stay, Spook Word Day and DJ Bucky. Watch out now.
They're scheming. Talk them down at the scheme still. Ball it out, that's how we chill.
They mix your car, custom. Again, the YouTube link is in the bio. If you like the vibe, subscribe. If you missed tonight's show, go watch it over there. But now,
you see them a chop, potty bola, them a chop smart. Cryptocurrency, you know, see some Mr. Star.
Yeah.
You see them a chop, potty bola, them a chop smart. Them a chop smart. Them a chop smart.
Bitcoin, flipping money, so we do the line. Washing money, dirty money, man, we do the grind. Connection strong like the Wi-Fi. Mexican, no, live the poppy lifestyle. Colombian food with couple white guys. I'm still also like me a white knight. Me girl like Rosa, me a buy rice. What up with that life? Sport funny at rich life. Walk at the trap is nice.
Watch them bad mix, you know.
I want some boy, I scam far. Some bands, I scam far.
We could talk to the bad man, them in a chat now, bucket. Watch your style, yeah. Every get dark.
You see them a chop, but you no see them a top smart. You see them a chop, but you no see them a top smart. You see them a chop, but you no see them a top smart. You see them a chop.
Get dark, bucket, get dark.
You see them a chop, but you no see them a top smart.
You're tuning into the Vibe.
Eastside chopper, flying to the chopper. 16 chopper, long like waka. Put more run out again with the bomber. Head top splatter, boy face shot.
Alright.
Lies up enough afraid that then look man I carry a case stronger. We aim pan the one on. Hey, bust off again like dragon. Pussy face chaka, built-in hammer. Mouth bust up, fire chat too much. We not take.
Everybody just passing through, just drop a like and go on, see?
When me say blood clot room and a bubble, left a hand shelly, wore up a belly, with the head skelly, have a clip them ready, head a bust like jelly. Dead when me press it, use it Benelli, no we use it Benelli. Why they no wicked, dark and timid, east side Billy,
Every Friday you want to know what?
I have my house and I have my car. Have my drink and I have my bar.
Ready?
Have my peace and I don't want war. Have my riches, I don't need bar. Got my money.
Every Friday, me not for run guard the club. Me just turn on the camera and me and my friend them all a vibe. You see, every Friday you want to know what I'm going?
Everybody sing happiness. We not even know which stress. Gonna feel friend, gonna bad mind. We don't want no friendship from them. Sing again now. Happiness.
Oh God.
We not even know which stress. Dance me a dance and I enjoy myself if you want.
Let's go somewhere to the bandit.
Alright, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. Mami chicote ya. Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. Mami chicote ya.
Watch them custom mixer. Watch the custom. 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 Right now, people are tuned into the After Vibe. DJ Bucket right now. Hey, yay, yay. Watch them mixer, people. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Up with the vibe. Up with the vibe. Up, up, up.
Big brick, chop night bang.
Yeah. A long time them vibes in on the music and the play now. Right now everybody get tuned in, just go and drop an emoji. Drop a like and go on. DJ Bucket for the ones and fuse. Girl is just spook word in the building. Vibes Friday after Vibes.
Rambas International.
Nah, do no show. Cash in a man. Nah, tap walk on left to billion. Alien man.
No fuck it. Yeah, she look pretty but the pussy bad lucky. Say she have 2 ex-man where you dopey and a boy where you run after man. And I trust him, girl, me just admire. You probably touch it and get 4 flat tire. I want me goes on it backfire. Me don't tell campfire you a hot liar. You know better you go walk there. No, some girls have like that boy. iPhone 15 top life. I would girl are you.
You see after me send up the salt girl, me call it Ever Bliss. And you see what me call her? Yo, me tell her Bucket. Yo, me tell the girl what me call her. Yeah. You good, good.
You do your body, yeah. You look good. Change up the gear in the car. Zoom, zoom. Can't spend a shit at a round a boom, boom.
We not no behavior.
You look one, but I pray to the savior. Gun for my belly and we now watch your neighbor. This a boy got my traffic through the acre. Anytime I fuck a girl and I ever hear back. Oh, you feel back. Stop move like a dip of them a waist, man. Raccoon in your belly give you favors. Fuck out a little pretty body when me pay for. Boom, boom, boom. Girl, bring your pussy car. You're good, good.
And you know why when me ask a girl, them have to bring it, come give me. You know why them have to carry, come give me. Anytime I say like Simon says, let me tell them why.
Watch your style, yeah. Preach a fuck, I'm in a capping on me.
Oh God.
Bag of money make me living life proud of me. Know the game like me, I beat from a barn. I
never have nothing but the bag of me have.
Everything dog. Panel line in the hair, me sing dog. Fuck around on 100K, me bring dog. 10 million, we got simple thing for
them no
Boss
reach like
International.
half of them. Talk again, call any call when me do me call again. Crook on the line, big thief, hack at them. Never do a crime, them only have chopper friend, you know. And if them this amount a gun live up, and no go clubby killer never give fucks. Can't see me no way car ever think up. I'm in bank book heavy, that's why I sing so. Preacher fuck, I'm in no capping on my dog addy. Bag of money make me living life fraud of me. Know the game like me, I do it from a barn. I'm never have nothing, know the bag of my have everything dog. On the line with me head, me sing dog.
Where's the one of the custom?
Bring dog, 10 million with a simple thing.
What a style there. What a style there. What a style there. What a style there. Go on again, DJ. Go on again, bad DJ.
Banco Santander, Banco Santander, Banco Santander, Banco Santander, Banco Santander, Banco Santander. Banco Santander, the God who got Janko, that's Bankiers, got the glass, the shot man, the box and square, the Halmina, back the last Bankiers, right, hang fi hack, that's on that Bankiers, handicap, that's call up one cheer, come from the Bronx, Blanco, from stairs, you cash the pot, accept contact, here, but shot the fuck, and the man that's waste. Big rubber, big up, pan, be mad, bad that, bitch, I want, bad gal in our chop up, see that and not that, gal get up, some she's what I last class.
When you get them custom mix them people, me I'm telling them.
Sax man, sicker, box and richer than Yardstyle, we got that, but I will lick her up, baptize, liver patch lungs, blacker than ties, fathers and balls, just swallow up, balls that you can't fuck, grab a house, grab a yard room, tabata, arms goes follow up, big fat cone for Cadillac, guys, I'm a gift that, Lord. Fire.
Right now, people, me I'm telling them.
President.
I hear you that in a Pundai. Yo, go to them. Again, people, thanks for tuning in. The Vybz Friday family, thank everybody. After Vybz, after Vybz, after Vybz, after Vybz, after